Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram profile picture zoom. If you're experiencing issue with your Instagram profile picture zoom, you can try the following steps to fix it. First, you have to use a different picture. Try changing your profile picture. In order to do that, select Instagram. On the bottom right corner, there's your profile icon. Tap on that. Select the edit profile option on the top and edit profile or avatar. And you can also import from Facebook if you want, or you can simply add the new profile picture which is on the top like this. Select the picture you want and tap on the next and next again. Sometimes this can also determine if the problem is with specific image or Instagram itself. Or you could also try updating Instagram. Go to the Play Store, look out for the Instagram app, and simply update your Instagram app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve the issue. Or if this problem still persists, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can sometimes fix issue related to the app data. And if none of the steps work, you can try contacting Instagram's support team for further assistance. And sometimes it could be a bug or temporary problem as well with Instagram. In such cases, it's best to wait for a new app update that may fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.